Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to allow or not allow app notifications pop up in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to notifications and here select app notifications and select the app which are to be used, that is for allowing or not allowing for particular app. Here I use Gmail. Okay, and here choose pop-up. Okay, just click on pop-up and it's not allowed now. For Gmail, notifications pop-up will not be allowed. Okay, if you again click on, it will be allowed. Pop-up notifications will be allowed for Gmail. You can set for particular app like this. Okay, you can set one or more than one app. Okay, I got set now for Gmail. If you want to set it for other app like Google Chrome, select the Google Chrome and click on pop-up, or again click on pop-up and it will now allowed. Okay, in this way you can easily control app notifications pop-up allowed or not allowed in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.